Welcome to all. In this mathematics video, we study how to trace the Cartesian curve. Problem number 3. Trace the curve y square in bracket a plus x is equal to x square a minus x. This question asked in December 18 for first year engineering in SPPU University. In this step number 1, first of all we find a region of absence. So here we get a region of absence. So for all x those are greater than a, and for all x those are less than minus a is nothing but your region of absence. So from step 1 we get a region of absence. So this is nothing but our region of absence. In step 2, we find whether origin is a point on the curve. So here we get curve passes through. So origin is a point on the curve. In step number 3, we find a tangent at origin. So here we get tangent at origin y equal to plus or minus x. Y equal to plus or minus x are the two tangents. So in this step we get y equal to x is the one tangent and y equal to minus x is another tangent. So this is nothing but y equal to x tangent, and behavior of the curve at this tangent is like this. Similarly, for the tangent y equal to minus x, we get y equal to minus x tangent like this, and behavior of curve at this tangent at origin is these are the two different behavior at tangent at origin. In step number 4, we find a point of intersection. So we get point of intersection with the axis as a, 0. And for y, there is no point of intersection. So we need to find tangent at a, 0. So we get a, 0 point here. Now before going for the next step, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to get the new updates. In step number 5, we find a tangent at a point of intersection a, 0 we get. So at a, 0 we have a tangent parallel to y-axis like this. So this is nothing but a tangent parallel to y-axis at a, 0, and behavior of the curve at this particular point is either like this or like this. But this is in the region of absence, so we cannot consider that. Now in step number 6, we find in symmetricity. So here we get in symmetricity. For this particular curve, the symmetricity is about the x-axis. So we get from this step the symmetricity about x. So symmetricity about x-axis. So this is nothing but the symmetricity about x. Now in step number 7, we find an asymptote. But for this particular example, there is no asymptote parallel to x-axis, but there is a asymptote parallel to y-axis. So asymptote at x is equal to minus a is represented like this. As we know that asymptote is nothing but tangent at infinity, the behavior of curve at this particular point is like this. For the left hand side we can't draw because there is a region of absence. So this is how we get the curve at an asymptote. So all of these information we get from the step 7 up to the step number 7. Now we need to draw the curve with the help of this information. So if you observe, we have a starting point at a comma 0. So we start with this, we touches at origin. As it is symmetric about x, the same curve to the downward side. And if you observe this, for x is equal to minus a, there is an asymptote. So we try to draw the curve from this particular point. So similarly to the downward side. So final curve look like this. So this is what the required curve. Thank you. Visit again, subscribe the channel, comment below. To get the new updates, do your best. Thank you.